Hey friends, welcome back to Andy's Crap. On this episode, I feel like I should actually be saying I'm spending money so that you can save money. This is a review of a Moukey, Moukey preamp for your phonograph player, phono preamp, whatever you want to call it. We are comparing it to the PP999 Pile, which this has served as the baseline on all of my other videos about preamps. The amp itself, the presentation looks great. What it came with was pretty nice, pretty complete, like the power supply, the cable, and the preamp itself. Nothing really beyond that, but compared to some of them we've had in the previous video, you know, that's pretty complete. It doesn't, it's very well built. What I was going to say is it doesn't rattle around. One of the other ones in the previous video actually did rattle around quite a bit. The build quality was absolutely atrocious. Now, I would say that I got a fake one, and I say that because I'm very disappointed in the way that this thing sounds. But it has all the things around it on it, the box, everything looks authentic. So I'm going to let you judge. Usually on these videos, I go through and like meticulously edit and go through and do a bunch of videography and sound clips and everything else. I'm not even going to bother to this time because it's so bad that you're actually going to be able to hear it through the video's microphone. And this is what I'm filming on is actually a oh, what do you call it? GoPro. And so the crappy microphone that's in the GoPro will actually pick this up. Oh, I have Richard Simmons. I'm supposed to have something really cool in the front here. There you go, the Clash. That's more cool. All right, let me get into this audio. We're going to start with the Pile, and then I'm going to roll into the Moukey, and we're just going to play some, I don't know, I call it my Spinorama disc. All right, here's the Moukey. Soon. That's with everything maxed out. So you can already hear that there's like not a lot of sound coming through it. See how muffled it sounds? It almost sounds like there's like somebody holding their hand over the trumpets, and it's way worse on something like the Clash, where the voice is supposed to come out and come forward. It's horrible. It's absolutely awful. And I'm gonna try and find another record here to demonstrate. All right, here we go with the Pile again. All right. Here's the Moukey. Hear that? It's awful. It's horrible. I can't even believe it. I mean, like, come on now. I mean, Pile is like cheap, and this is supposed to be a step up from the Pile, theoretically. It markets itself as being, kind of a entry level, but a good one. maybe I just got a bad one. Somebody put in the comments, if you have one of these and it does not sound like that, please put it in the comments, because I think I might want to just go ahead and send it back to Amazon and say, hey, no dice. All right, that's all I got to say about that. Thanks, like and subscribe. Watch the other videos on the other preamps and you get a good idea why I might be, or am, or I definitely am not impressed by this thing.